Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Filecoin price prediction updates, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Filecoin chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above the 20-day MA. We are also gearing up, and you can see that here on TradingView that the market is up by 6.45%, which is a very nice bounce to the upper side. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Filecoin chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low at around the $2.465 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upper side obeying the Elliot structures, where we have this Elliot structure in yellow having that is the first wave. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, then a wave 3, then a wave 4, then we continued gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 in a move that gave us a high at around the $9.5 mark. And after seeing the formation of this Elliot structure right here in yellow having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $9.5 mark, I believe Filecoin completed an even larger Elliot wave contour to the upper side. So we can name whatever we are seeing over here as a 5-wave structure as a larger Elliot wave contour. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave contour, whatever we expect here on the short-term scenarios is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave contour, and I believe that is what we are seeing, and sketching out a target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1. That gave me a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts like that, which is a target area that lies between the $5.988 mark and the $5.154 mark, and it is within this red target area down here that I was expecting to see the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2. And you can see we have been seeing a corrective structure to the lower side in a movement that has managed to get us into this minimum retracement area and also given us a low at around the $5.61 mark, and there are chances that we have now seen the low for these higher Elliot wave count 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. So after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is the start of an explosive move to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And as long as we are holding above the 20-day MA, then there are chances that we have the support that we need for us to continue gearing up and also manage to break above our next high at around the $7.423 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, continue gearing up, manage to break above the wave 1 high at around the $9.5 mark, then that will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the start of an explosive move to the upper side in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 3. And in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $16.961 mark, and that is the minimum that you can expect Filecoin to do in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, and that is what I'm expecting here on the long-term scenarios. So let's continue watching the 20-day MA, because the moment we continue holding above it, then there are chances and also the support that we need for us to continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 54 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross fully supporting higher prices. And if I also take a look at the volume indicator, on the volume indicator we are seeing a bit of an increase in the buying volume here on the volume indicator, suggesting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.